Tired of weight loss? I mean to say, if you have tried everything like exercise, diet, many type of diets, but still you're not able to lose weight, this video is for you. I'll be telling you the most effective way to lose weight, that is intermittent fasting. Obviously, you need to exercise with that. When I say intermittent fasting, there are a lot of ways that you can fast. Like you can fast for 18 hours and can eat in a window of 6 hours. There is other way that you can fast for 20 hours and 4 hours you'll be eating. There is another way that is 23 hours you will be fasting and just 1 hour is there to eat. But I'll be telling you the most effective way of intermittent fasting, that is the most feasible one and most effective also. That is 16 by 8 intermittent fasting. That means 16 hours you need to be fasting and 8 hours is the time slot you should be eating in like around 2 to 3 times. 16 hours of fasting, you should be choosing the time, some easier time that most of the time you should be sleeping. So include the time in your fasting period, that is the night time. Supposing you have taken your dinner around 8 p.m. So do not eat anything until next day 12 o'clock. That means for 16 hours you should not be eating anything. But you need to be properly hydrated. That means you should be drinking a lot of water during that time. When I say water, that is pure, plain, simple water. Do not add soft drinks or packet juices or tea, coffee, such things in that. So please keep yourself away of those things. Only water is allowed. And after 12 o'clock till 8 p.m. again for 8 hours you should be having 2 to 3 meals. When I talk about 2 to 3 meals, that does not mean that if you have taken 16 hours of fasting so you can eat anything. You need to have low calorie diet plus a nutritious diet also. When I say nutritious diet, that includes a lot of vegetables, raw vegetables, lot of salads, fruits, whole grains, that should be included in your diet. And keep a check on the calories. The calories intake should be maximum 500 to 1000 calories, not more than that. And how does the intermittent fasting works actually? So for that you need to know the basic principle of like food and your digestive process. Whenever you take your food, especially the carbs part, the carbohydrates, that takes around 8 to 10 hours, that provides you energy for that much time. And when that time period goes off, then you are taking a fast for 16 hours. So last 5-6 hours, what would happen to your body? That the fat which is being stored in the body will be converted into fatty acids, and the fatty acids will be consumed to burn calories. So slowly, gradually, you will lose weight. But remember, it won't happen overnight. It'll happen slowly, consistently. Initially, for first few days, your body will adapt to the new changes of your diet. So don't get disappointed if you're not losing weight that time. But after a few days, you'll start losing weight. So patience needs to be there. To make intermittent fasting more effective, you should be exercising with that. But exercises should not be like too much. should not be too much aerobic exercises, or you should not be using weights. So you should be doing free hand exercises, that yoga, pranayams, free hand exercises, that needs to be done with intermittent fasting for better results. That will boost your metabolism further. That will make your fasting more effective. Remember, in the eating slot, you need to eat the nutritious food. Stay away from junk food, processed foods, white sugar, soft drinks, packaged juices, and bakery products like pastries and such things, pasta, the white flour products. You should be avoiding that time during your eating window. So, have a lot of nourishment with less calories. Who should not be doing the intermittent fasting? That needs to be explained for sure. So, the pregnant women should not do the intermittent fasting, the lactating women who are like breastfeeding, the ladies who are looking to conceive should not go for it. If you are underweight, that means your weight is less than normal, you should not do it. If you have any chronic disease, that is like diabetes, high blood pressure, asthma, or any like gastrointestinal disease like ulcers or such things, piles, I should say, so you should not be performing intermittent fasting that way. There are a few good effects that is being observed. The researches are being uh, like conducted on that. So intermittent fasting is very effective and beneficial for cancer patients also. I'll be making another video like that will relate intermittent fasting to PCOS or PCOD, that for women having PCOS or PCOD or such related disorders should do the intermittent fasting or not. So in my upcoming video, I'll explain you that. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please go for that. Please press the like button. That really motivates me, and that helps the my videos to take to the new audience. They can also get benefited out of it. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my new and upcoming videos. With that, I wish you all the best. I'm looking for your comments in the comment section. You can ask any question related to intermittent fasting, your health, or any health related thing. All the best.